Assalamualaikum semua, my name is AMIRUL HAZIQ bin MOHAMED AZHAZA. Matrix number is 2024662082. In this slide, I would like to present to you flower structure and plant reproduction. Okay, now let's delve into the fascinating world of flower structure and plant reproductive. Flowers. The characteristic reproductive structure of angiosperm plays a vital role in plant reproduction. This colorful and distinctive structure showcases nature's remarkable reproductive strategy with specialized mechanism to ensure the continuation of plant species across generations. Flowers truly embody the beauty and complexity of plant reproduction. Okay, now that we covered the general structure of flower and how plant reproduce, let's dive into the internal flower parts. I divided the parts by 6 categories. The first one is the stamens, are the male reproductive organ responsible for producing the pollen, while the pistil are the female structure that receive pollen for fertilization. Additionally, the parietes, including petal and sepal, plays a crucial role in protecting the reproductive organ and attracting pollinators. So, sepals as productive layers enclosing and safeguarding the development bud. Petal, often vibrant in color, play a crucial role in attracting pollinators and aiding in species recognition. This pedicle, on the other hand, serves as the supportive stalk that connects the flower to the main stem, providing essential vascular support for growth and development. Okay. So, furthermore, by understanding this internal part is a key to comprehending the intricacies of plant reproduction. Now, let's discuss into the fascinating world of placentation patterns. Placentation refers to the arrangement of ovals within the ovary of a flower, and different patterns help identify plant families. In marginal placentation, seen in legumes like peas, ovals are attached along one side of the ovary, while parietal placentation, found in the cucumber family, has ovals on the inner walls of the ovary. Meanwhile, in XR placentation, common in tomatoes and onions, ovals are attached to a central column and the ovary has multiple chambers. Free central placentation features oval attached to a central axis without any chambers, as seen in some primrose plant. Next, basal placentation, typical of the sunflower family, has ovals located at the base of the ovary. This intricate structure dictates where ovals attach within the ovary, influencing the plant production. Okay. Next, let's dive into the types of gynosium. As you can see in the picture, these are the structure and of gynosium. There are 3 types with the first one are apocarpus, featuring separate carpels forming individual pistil in each flower, while syncarpus display fused carpel creating a single compound pistil structure. On the other hand, monocarpus gynosium consists of single carpel encompassing one stigma, style, and ovary. Proceeding to slide number 7, the slide illustrated the gynosium diagram, indicating that 92 represent the apocarpus type, while 93 and 94 are syncarpus, and 95 is categorized as monocarpus. Comprehending this difference sheds light on the variety of complexity of plant reproductive structure. Moving on the slide number 8, we delve into the classification of ovary position. Firstly, we have the hypogynous ovary, where the superior position places it above the flower part, as seen in hibiscus and also eggplants. Next, the perigynous ovary, half inferior and encircled by flower parts, found in roses and peaches. Lastly, the epigynous ovary, inferior and situated beneath other flower components, exemplified by cucumber and guava. This classification offers insight into the diverse structure variation within the reproductive organs of flowers. Okay, next. This slide presents the classification of flower type based on their structure, divided into 4 categories. Complete flower includes sepals, petals, stamen, and also pistil, whereas incomplete flowers are missing one or more of these essential components. Additionally, perfect flower contain both male and female reproductive organs, while imperfect flowers possess only male or female parts. Recognizing this difference is important for appreciating the diversity and complexity of flower structure. Moving on to the slide number 10. We can see more further into complete versus incomplete flowers diagram that show the difference which filament and anther of the structure missing. Understanding this classification is key to identifying different plants and species. As we progress through the presentation, keep in mind how this classification plays a vital role in botany and plant taxonomy. Next, in the fascinating world of plant reproduction, sexual expression plays also a vital role. Plants exhibit varying reproductive strategies, from hermaphroditic flowers containing both male and female organ for self-pollination, to monoecious plant with separate male and female flowers on the same plant for cross-pollination. Furthermore, dioecious plants take it step further by developing male and female flower on entirely different plants, ensuring maximum genetic diversity. This distinct method showcases the complexity of sexual expression in the plant kingdom. Moving on into efflorescent arrangement. In plant, this arrangement can be categorized into 4 types. The first one is racemose, where the main axis continues growing with lateral flowers and so on. Cymers, where the main axis terminates in a flower and lateral branches develop. Next, additionally, mixed type combine element for both pattern, while specialized form like umbels and compound heads showcase a unique and specific arrangement in plant for attracting pollinator and ensuring successful reproduction. In understanding the significance of pollination, we'll dive into the fundamental process that sustain plant life and diversity. First, what is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen between flowers. Pollination is a vital biological process in which pollen is transferred from the male parts of a flower to the female parts, allowing plants to reproduce and maintain genetic diversity. It plays a crucial role in the production of fruit and seed and help ensure the survival of plant species across generations. Pollinators, including insect, birds, wind, and water, facilitate the process by moving pollen between flowers. From an ecology perspective, pollination plays a critical role in supporting biodiversity and overall health of ecosystem by facilitating the reproduction of flowering plants. This natural interaction between plants and their pollinator is fundamental to sustaining life on Earth. In understanding pollination mechanism, we get into the intricate process crucial to plant reproduction. There are 3 types of pollination that I can give. The first one is self-pollination, occurs within the same flower or plant, a reliable method when pollinators are scarce. The second one is cross-pollination, involves pollen transfer between different plants, fostering genetic diversity. And lastly, pollinator dependency. Many plants are reliant on animal pollinators, a mutualistic relationship that showcase the fascinating co-evolution shaping both plant and pollinator species. Now that we explore the mechanism of pollination, let's dive into the fascinating agent responsible for this vital process. Pollinator agents come in various forms, from insects like bees, butterfly, and beetle, transferring pollen while collecting nectar, to birds such as hummingbird and sunbird, pollinating colorful nectar-rich flowers. Additionally, the wind plays a crucial role through abiotic pollination, carrying lightweight pollen across long distance. These diverse agents highlight the intricate web of interaction that sustain plant reproduction and ecosystem biodiversity. Now, shifting our focus to pollen grain development, the process begins with microspore formation, where diploid cells undergo meiosis in anthers. Following this, pollen maturation takes place in microspore, develop thick protective walls. Subsequently, gamete production occurs on generative cells divide, forming sperm, leading to final stage of pollen release where mature grains are dispersed from the anther. This process underscores the reproduction cycle of plant. Next, for the double fertilization process, as the sperm cell fuse with the egg cell, forming a zygote, the first sperm develops into the embryo, while the second sperm combines with 2 polar nuclei to create the endosperm, nourishing the growing embryo. This unique mechanism is angiosperm optimized resource allocation, highlighting the importance of successful fertilization for the development of endosperm. Now, let me explore the double fertilization process in angiosperm on the previous slide. Lastly, we move to understanding the complete plant life cycle. As we know, the basics is 3 stages, from seed germination to vegetative growth and reproduction. Plants undergo a complex yet vital process ensuring biodiversity and the continuation of their species. This intricate cycle highlights the delicate balance between sexual reproduction and vegetative growth, essential for the sustainability. In plants, reproduction happens through a process called alternation of generation. This means the plant life cycle switch between 2 stages. The picture shown at the top half is the sporophyte stage, which is diploid, meaning it has 2 sets of chromosomes. It produces spore through meiosis, These spores are haploid and grow into the gametophyte stage. Gametophytes create sperm and egg cell. When the sperm fertilize the egg, it forms a zygote, which grow into new spirophyte. This cycle keep repeating and help plants survive and reproduce. That's all from me. Thank you.